In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find old returns on TurboTax. Whether you need your prior return for AGI verification, a mortgage application, or simple record keeping, this walkthrough will help you locate and save a clean copy quickly and confidently. Start by opening your web browser and heading to TurboTax. Sign in to your Intuit account using the same account you used when you filed in the past. Using the correct account is important because returns are tied to that specific login. If you recently switched emails or sign-in methods, think back to the one you used when you originally filed. After you sign in, you'll land on your tax home dashboard. If you happen to open directly into a current or in-progress return, look for the Tax Home button and click it to get back to the main page where your past filings live. On the Tax Home page, scroll down until you see the section labeled Your Tax Returns and Documents. This is the central spot that lists previously filed returns associated with your account, grouped by tax year. Review the tax years displayed. You'll only see returns that were prepared and saved under the account you're currently signed into. If a year you expect to see isn't listed, it could mean it was filed under a different Intuit account. Click the tax year you want to access. Depending on what's available, you may see options like View Return, Download Return, PDF, or Print Return. Viewing opens it on screen, while Download Return, PDF, saves a copy you can store on your device. Print sends it to your printer using your system settings. If you're not signed in yet, use the link in the description above to go to TurboTax, sign in, and then follow the same path to find your old returns. When you're ready to save a copy, choose Download Print Return, PDF. Select a secure folder on your device and name the file clearly, such as Tax Return 2022. This makes it easy to find later. If you still can't locate a return, sign out and try any other Intuit accounts you may have used in previous years. Many people have more than one login, and returns won't appear across accounts. Open the downloaded PDF to review the contents. You'll see Form 1040, supporting schedules, W-2 information, and any other documents included with your filing. If you need your AGI, it typically appears on Form 1040, line 11. Finally, store a copy in a secure location. Consider a protected folder or a trusted cloud drive with strong security. Keeping a backup helps with future filings, AGI verification, or any requests for past records. Thanks for watching.